In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a timer on your iPhone camera. So this is good when you want to put your phone somewhere, take a photo, get yourself in a certain spot. It's very easy for you to have your phone on a timer to take a picture. So go ahead and find your camera app. And what you can do from this point is simply, you see all the options at the very bottom where it says photo and portrait and all those things. All you have to do is put your finger and swipe up. And that's going to give you a bunch of different options for your camera or your aspect ratio. And real easy, you just want to look all the way to the right-hand side here where you see it kind of looks like a little clock. Go ahead, and that timer is now off. But what you can do is set this to 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds, anything that you really want out of these options, or you can just have it off at all times. So that is it, and that's how you set a timer on your iPhone. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.